If you make this groundnut soup with chicken, it will probably take you 30 minutes or even less. So I already spiced the chicken with salt, chicken seasoning, and pepper and onions. And I already put in some water. So this is what the grounded groundnut looks like. They sell this where they sell egusi, ogbono, and all of that. You just have to tell them to grind the groundnut for you. This soup is common in Ebonyi State, and there are certain leaves we use for it. You will not find ugu in this soup, but you'll probably find something like garden egg leaves. Another one we call uturuba that looks like oha leaves. Anyway, I put the granite in the stock and I just mixed that up. I put in some dry fish. If you have stock fish, this is probably the best time to put it in as well. And after that, I put in some oil. So the good thing about this soup is that it doesn't take time. You just pour everything into the pot, let it cook, and you're good. So I added some crayfish. I added some seasoning. Breaking these cubes are very hard these days. um Added a bit of pepper, and then onto the leaf I used for this. So this is garden egg leaves called angara leaves. You may find garden eggs on them or one or two flowers. They are all edible, please. So I just cut off the head, the place that was bunched up, and I cut it into big chunks, and then I washed it. So these garden egg leaves, there are some that would usually be bitter. The darker ones are usually a bit bitter. But for these ones, I just try to use my hands to squeeze them a bit and I rinsed it off. So if you were the bitter ones, you like have to really squeeze it until you take out all the bitter juice from it. So this was ready to go into the soup. Something about this soup is that it doesn't have to be too thick, just whatever consistency you'd actually like. It can be very light and it can be as thick as you want it to be. So in went the leaves. I just stirred that up, and you can tell that mine wasn't so thick or anything. So whatever consistency you'd actually like, this soup is always so tasty. It doesn't take any time. If you even have the grounded granules in your fridge, then you can always whip this up very quickly. It tasted so nice. I just let that cook, and yeah, soup is ready.